casting process involves melting solid metal to a liquid state and pouring it into a prepared mold where it cools and solidifies to form a casting. The casting process involves 4 steps that include melting the metal, alloying or mixing the metal with various elements, spectrochemical analysis or testing the metal's chemical composition, and pouring the molten metal into the sand mold. In a typical foundry, the casting process begins when the base metal is transferred to a furnace and then melted to its liquid state. Melting is followed by alloying, where specific elements such as carbon, silicon, manganese, and copper are added to the molten metal to meet chemistry requirements. Molten metal chemistry verification is typically accomplished by spectrochemical analysis, which reveals the types and levels of elements present in the molten metal. If spectrochemical analysis reveals that the chemistry requirements are within the desired range, the molten metal can be transferred from the furnace. If the chemistry requirements are not within the desired range, chemical adjustments are made to the molten metal. The molten metal is then poured into the prepared mold made of sand, where it is allowed to cool and solidify. Once solidified, the casting is transferred to the shakeout facility in the foundry for the shakeout process.